Wait, do you know how to say husband or girlfriend in Swahili language? Here are 10 important relationship words in Swahili language. Make sure to save it. Mahusiano, mahusiano. Mpenzi, mpenzi. Mume, mume. Dada, dada. Kaka, kaka. Rafiki, rafiki. Mchumba, mchumba. Ndugu, ndugu. Mtoto, mtoto. Mke, mke. Make sure to save this and follow for more Swahili lessons.